itong update na to guys is a bullish update para sa atin, para sa mga holders ng BTC. So hey guys, magandang araw ulit sa ating lahat. Aldrin here. So basically guys, andito ako ngayon sa Google search and recent news lang to. PayPal to allow cryptocurrency buying, selling, and shopping on its network. So it's a big fundamental news catalyst to for BTC or for cryptocurrency, no? So ayan, makikita natin 29 minutes and inopen ko na din siya dito kay Reuters and credits dito kay Reuters, no? So ayan, PayPal to allow cryptocurrency buying, selling, and shopping on its network. For me as a technical trader and fundamental trader, no, so malaking factors to, isa sa nakaka-apekto ng market yung mga gantong updates, especially PayPal is the biggest in terms of payment systems, no, financially. So ito, London Reuters PayPal Holdings joined the cryptocurrency market on Wednesday, allowing customers to buy, sell, and hold Bitcoin and other virtual coins using US digital payments company online wallets. Yan nga yung PayPal, makikita natin. PayPal customers will also be able to use cryptocurrencies to shop at the 26 million merchants on its network starting early 2021 guys. So it's a bullish news catalyst to, especially for BTC. I-check din natin yung price action mamaya for BTC, no? So keep an eye dito sa update natin for today. So yan yung company statement nila. And PayPal hopes the service will encourage global use of virtual coins and prepare its network for new digital currencies that may be developed by central banks and corporations. President and Chief Executive Dan Skolpman said an interview. So eto guys, grabe, isa sa magandang balita to, especially sa mga holders ng BTC, no. So malay natin magkaroon din sila ng tokenized something like magkaroon sila ng sariling coin nila na or token nila, no. So malay natin, it's possible naman na gawin nila yun, pero keep an eye lang tayo sa mga updates. And we are working with central banks and thinking of all forms of digital currencies and how PayPal can play a role. Yan yung sabi nila sa interviews, no. So US account holders will be able to buy and hold cryptocurrencies in their PayPal wallets over the coming weeks. The company said it plans to expand Venmo in some countries in the first half of 2021. For me, iba na. Malawak na yung perspective dito din ni cryptocurrency. Sabihin natin, ito talaga magandang news catalyst to in terms in crypto, no. So when other mainstream fintech companies such as mobile payments provider Square Incorporated and stock trading app firm Robinhood Markets Incorporated allows to buy and sell cryptocurrencies. Pero ito, sabi dito, but PayPal's launch it's not worthily given in a vast reach, no. So the company based in San Jose, California has 346 million active accounts around the world and process $222 billion in payments in a second quarter. Check natin mamaya guys yung price action ngayon ni BTC. Basically, so for sure magre-react yung price actions dahil sa update na to, no. So eto, cryptocurrencies tend to be volatile, making them attractive to speculators but a lot less appealing to merchants and shoppers. Transactions have been slower and more costly than other mainstream payment systems. Cryptocurrency payments on PayPal will be settled using fiat currencies such as USD, meaning merchants will not receive payments in virtual coins, the company said. Basically, ayan, US dollar, something like meron lang conversion into cryptocurrency, no? So, and many central banks around the world have expressed their intention to develop digital versions of their currencies in the coming years. While Facebook Incorporated did the creation of cryptocurrency project called Libra in 2009, PayPal was founding member but dropped out after a few months. Ito, naalala ko to guys, nag-announce to si Facebook na meron nga silang token or coin called Libra way back 2009. And yan, isa sa mga founding member nila is si PayPal, pero ayun, sabi nga dito is nag-drop after a few months or umalis din. So for me personally lang, suspect ko din to si PayPal na baka magkaroon din ng sariling coin kaya drop dito or umalis sila sa isa sa pinaka-funding member ni Facebook, no, kaya sila umalis. There's a probability na pwede silang magkaroon ng sariling coin or gumawa ng sarili. Yan, PayPal, which has secured the first conditional cryptocurrency license from New York State Department. Ito na nga ba yung sinasabi ko, guys? There's a probability talaga na magkakaroon sila ng sarili nilang coin or token. Kasi yan, mababasa natin, guys, na from the New York State Department of Financial Services ay may first conditional cryptocurrency license. So will initially allow purchase of Bitcoin and other cryptocurrencies called Ethereum, Bitcoin Cash, and Litecoin. It said, so it partners with Paxos Trust Company to offer this service. So it's a good opportunity, or it's a good update dito para sa Ethereum, Bitcoin Cash, and Litecoin, no, as mentioned dito. So yung license pala nila, guys, is to allow lang ng purchase ng Bitcoin and other cryptocurrencies. So yeah, malay natin magkaroon din sila ng coin or token. Keep an eye on that, guys. So, it's a good update to. And punta na tayo ngayon sa chart ni BTC. So inopen ko na siya kanina. Ito, makikita natin, guys, sobrang reactive ng price actions, no? Ito makikita natin almost na re-retest lang to. For me, re-retest niya to, guys. Itong resistance sa 12.4. For me, pag nabasag to, sobrang magpo-form na to ng bull run. Or yeah, web na babasag, no? Recent tweet ko sa Twitter, must pass 12,400 to form bull run emoticon yan. So BTC as mentioned, no? So eto, sobrang lakas, oh. And daily yan, nakikita natin malakas yan na candle, eh. So yeah, keep an eye lang natin, guys, yung price actions, kasi pag nabasag to yung 12.4, ilang beses na ni-retest last time, and there's a probability na pwede pang magkaroon ng galaw sa upside, no? So yeah, keep an eye lang natin yan, guys, as of the moment sa mga holders ng BTC, sa mga nakabili dito na area, something like 6k to 9k or 8k territory ni BTC. Congratulations. And yeah, itong update na to, guys, is a bullish update to para sa atin, para sa mga holders ng BTC, no? So yeah, yun lang for today, guys. Don't forget to subscribe sa ating YouTube channel. Feel free to comment down below kung meron man kayong mga katanungan in regards sa video natin for today. Then share nyo na din tong video na to, guys, para sa mga kaibigan natin na turing magkaroon ng updates in regard kay BTC. Yun lang for today. Maraming salamat and ingat tayong lahat.